Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Anda bersama saya lagi, Paman Aceh, di channel Nasi Droid Box. Minal Aidil wal Faizin. Hari ini 3 April 7.24 pagi. Kita mulakan dengan kosong. A'udzubillahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma shalli ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala sayyidina Muhammad. Verification. Not. Looks good. Let's go. Lama, baru. Wah, alhamdulillah masuk RM38. Pergi mana? Petaling Jaya. Let's go. Babu DJ. Taman Maluri. Wih, jauh Taman Maluri ni. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Subhanallazi sahhara lana hadza wa ma kunna lahu muqrinin wa ilaihi rabbina qalibun. Bismillahi tawakkaltu 'ala Allah wa la haula wa la quwwata illa billahil aliyyil azim. Let's go. Taman Maluri. Kita pergi PJ RM38. Kita tengok nanti kan berapa kilometer dia. Tapi pick up jauh kat ni, 3.3 km Taman Maluri. Let's go. Alhamdulillah. Next. Bagaimana Hospital Serdang? Ini untuk Joshua Prevent Ya. Terus sini kita U-turn balik ke?
Boleh.
Jalan terus boleh ya?
Jalan terus juga.
Kanan.
Oh, kanan ya? Okey, baik.
Berapa dia?
60 angka. Okey angka, thank you.
Jumpa lagi ya.
Okey, jumpa lagi.
Okey,
Bye bye angka, bye bye aunty. Okey, welcome. Have a nice day angka.
Okey, terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Saya pun dari duduk belajar.
Okey. Okey aunty. Okey, welcome. puan. 7 minit. Alhamdulillah. Next. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Kita punya kilometer 63.9 7 25 8 25. Sekarang pukul 9 96 ringgit. Ngam. Alhamdulillah. Let's go cari yang lain. Tadi daripada Wisma Putra, last drop off, kita pergi dekat immigration. Kita tengok kita punya prestasi macam mana. Daripada start kita bawa 66.4 km, 1 jam 41 minit.
Don't know much, but I know this. Everyone's life has a purpose, so take the good days, you deserve it. The world still spins on my hard days, and the good ones turn just the same.
Assalamualaikum.
Head west.
Domino Pizza tu ya?
Just gotta ride the wave. Come on, when I feel down, it's okay. 'Cause the sun's gonna rise for me anyway.
Alhamdulillah. Berhenti sekejap dekat tempat ni. Kenangan masa mula-mula bawa kereta Alza yang lama. Berhenti dekat sini sekejap, berehat makan, untuk kita ambil gambar. Ini untuk kereta baru. Kita ambil daripada lebih kurang posisi yang sama. Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali sayyidina Muhammad. Dulu tahun 2017 gambar kereta lama, sekarang gambar kereta baru. Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammad. Alhamdulillah, rezeki yang Allah bagi pinjam. Alhamdulillah 5 booking. Sekarang pukul 10 suku. Start 7.25, 8.25, 9.25, 10.25. 3 jam RM128.80 109 kilometer.
Come out wherever you're hiding and lay your armor down. You can sing the song of your choosing. Oh, but please don't push me around. You know love, it ain't the answer. If you got it close, you don't learn to hear the music. Please don't abuse it. This is my heart. This is my heart. Sometimes we get lost in the fighting. We forget just who we are. Yeah, we bleed for affirmation, honey, just to feel the warmth. If we learn to lean on one another, with our lives exposed, and let our honesty be clearer than any mirror. This is my
Alhamdulillah. Kita punya earning RM199, 7 booking. 7.5, 11.5, 8.5, 9.5, 10.5, 11.5, 4 jam 200. Nombor dah masuk.
I don't know much, but I know this. Everyone's life has a purpose. So take the good days, you deserve it. Ha. The world still spins on my hard days. The good ones turn just the same. Just gotta ride the wave.
Hilton Garden Inn dan Tercoket. Boleh lah.
Come on, when I feel down, it's okay. 'Cause the sun's gonna rise for me anyway. The whole world's waiting to see. 'Cause there's no denying I got the power in me. I got the power in me. Yeah, I'm gonna fight all the way down. Nothing good comes easy in the big town. Let them know who's boss and stand my ground. The road ain't always easy. Every inch is earned, believe me. They might think I'm crazy, but I just gotta get up. When I feel down, it's okay. 'Cause the sun's gonna rise for me anyway. The whole world's waiting to see. 'Cause there's no denying.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah dah sampai rumah. Sekarang 4.17. Kita punya meter 275.6 km. Pendapatan kita RM260. Alamak, nampak tak? Pendapatan kita RM260.80. 257.8 daripada pukul 7.25 sampai pukul 4. Sekarang pukul 4.18. Alhamdulillah.